The New York City is overrun by the Marvel zombies. These monsters are everywhere. Fear and deaths are all over the place. But even in this darkest moment, one hero still remains hope. Because if he doesn't have hope, then what is left? And the hero is Spider-Man. He is trying his best to protect the remaining survivors inside the Daily Bugle, and Jameson is one of them. Even in this situation, Jameson is still cursing Spider-Man when he is fighting with his life, and he keeps waiting for that glimpse of hope. But instead, he sees more danger coming towards him. Everyone is panicked, including Jonah. But Peter knows he is their only hope, and he prays to God to keep Mary Jane and Aunt May safe. And then he sees the zombified Betty Brant, Peter's first love. While struggling with Betty, he is attacked by another good friend, Robbie Robertson. But Peter convinces himself that they are dead, replaced by flesh-eating zombies. They are everywhere, biting and killing. But Peter has to beat them, as right now, he has to protect his friends. He can't let them down. Seeing Spidey in trouble, Jameson turns on the fire alarm to distract the zombies, and Peter quickly contacts the Avengers to get some help. But no one is answering. The fire alarm will only buy them a few seconds. So Peter tells Jameson to barricade the doors, only open the windows. But Jameson is also worried for the wall crawler, and seeing him, Peter smiles, thinking about a fake headline. Bugle publisher briefly cares for the webbed menace. While fighting, Hawkeye contacts Spider-Man, but Peter realizes he is in trouble too, and the line gets cut. And right at the time, his spider sense goes crazy, and before Peter can realize the danger, he gets hit in the head from the back, and it is Aunt May. But she is a zombie. Peter can't believe in his own eyes. In that moment, he loses all the hopes left in him. He tries to convince himself this is a mirage, some kind of clone created by his enemies, but it is really Aunt May. She grabs Peter, lifts him up in the air, and demands him where his son nephew, and she blames Spider-Man that he did something to her son. Even in this zombie state, Aunt May is looking for Peter. She always knew Spider-Man was dangerous, that he had hurt Peter, and in rage and anger, she begins to brutalize Peter's face with a rock. The woman who took care of Peter without her husband, gave him everything, only wanted good for her nephew, the best woman in Peter's life. But now, she has turned into a monster, and Peter finally decides to reveal his face. He removes the mask, and suddenly, the zombie Aunt May regains her sense. She can't believe on what she has done. Aunt May breaks into tears and begs Peter to end her life before she lost her control over herself. Seeing his aunt's condition, it breaks Peter, but he decides to end her pain, and he begins to punch her. He repeats it over and over again, keeps telling himself it is not her. In the end, Aunt May is dead, but everything is lost. Peter looks at his wounded arms and realizes his time has come. The infection has spread. While Peter was fighting with the zombies with his bare hands, Jameson approaches Peter. He wants to help him, but it was too late. Spider-Man has turned into a zombie. There is no hope, only deaths. So which part you like the most? Please share them on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.